Next, font style, italic. So I'm giving all the styles for that one. See, zoom in, zoom out. It is zooming and zoom out to the center. So always it should zoom in, zoom out to center. So header section is completed. Now after header section, we'll do navigation section by using nav, nav open, nav close, nav tag. So nav tag contains the navigation area or the navigation part of the web page. Okay, I will take another div for that. Give any ID, menu bar, something, close div. Okay, in that menu bar div, I am taking one more div ID, home. In that I am taking home text. Same thing, copy, paste, paste, paste. Instead of home, the next thing we will take is about us or about. Next is services. Like that I am taking some 4 pages. Next is contact. Now we will give linking for this code also. How to give linking? href. What is the name of the home page? Index.html. That is the name of the home page. So I am giving link for the home text. For about also I will give link. href about.html. That is for about page link. Okay. Services. How to give services link? href will give services.html. That is for services page. Next, contact. How to give contact? href will give contact.html. Like that, every page I am giving link to the respective pages. This about page, services page, contact page I am not created till now. I will create that later. Initially I am giving the file names in the linking, that's all. Save it. If you see now, you are getting like this. Okay, you cannot see home because home is below this one. So we will need to give styles for this menu bar first. So hash menu bar, flower brackets open, close. First thing, position. Okay, so for all I am giving home only. I will give about for this one. For this one, services. For this one, contact. Okay, so what I will do? I will do it. Just adjusting to the page. Okay, now see, now give styles for the which one? This menu bar div. This is our menu bar. It is not visible. I will make it visible now. First thing, position relative, because it is separate section. Top just 2 pixels, left 0 pixels, width 1200 pixels, height just you give some 50 or 60 pixels. Okay, save it. So you will get like this. Close this thing. Okay, now what I will do, I will use styles for these individual elements, home, about, services, contact. Before that I will use styles for the hyperlink tag, a tag. What I am giving? Font size 20 pixels, text decoration none. None means no underline. Okay, now a h over. H over means mouse over. The color of the text also you take. So color initially it was black. Okay, if I mouse over, then it will become navy blue color, or we can give red. Okay, Now these are the styles for the hyperlink tag. Now give styles for home link. This is inside that menu bar. So we should give position as absolute, because our home div is inside the menu bar. When it is inside, absolute. When it is a separate section, position relative. Top 5 pixels, left 50 pixels. Save it. Same. Copy this. Paste. Instead of home, you give it about. So left 300. Next, services. Like that, individually every page I am giving. From not only left, you can take from right also. Last one is contact. I'm just copy pasting and changing the code according to that one. Instead of left, you can take right also. Save it. See, home, about. See, this gap is more, this gap is less. So what we will do, we'll increase the gap. Okay. Now this is our menu bar. Home, about, service, contact. Next, below that menu bar, what I will do? I will put some content now. I will put some content below this menu bar. What I will put? I will take one paragraph first. Next 3 images. Next again paragraph. This is the design I will put now. To put the design, that is the content of the site. So to take the content, we use section tag. Open section tag, close section tag. In that section tag only we are going to put the content. Now in the section tag, instead of storing directly, first I am taking one div. For this div, I will give some ID, something, content. Now in that div only I will store the content. So first I will take one div. In that adding para1, that is the name of the paragraph 1. Okay, some paragraph you take. From help I am taking some paragraph. Some paragraph you copy. You paste some paragraph here. Okay. Now for this para1 div, I will give styles here. Hash para1, flower brackets open, close. Styles for that one. First, position. This is inside that one. So before this para1, I will give styles for the content. First then position relative, because content is separate section. From top, how much? From top 10 pixels, left 10 pixels, or 10 left 0 pixels, right 0 pixels, width 1200 pixels, height auto according to the page or content. Now for the para1, I will give styles. So position, I am giving absolute. So from top, how much? From left, how much? We will take. From top 10 pixels, left 10 pixels, right 10 pixels. Every time 10 I am taking. Font size, you take some 22 pixels. Save it. See, we are getting like that. Alignment, text align, justify. That is the alignment we are having. See, color, give some color, green. Okay, this is one paragraph now. This is our content first. Now below this paragraph, I will put 3 images now. How many images? 3 images. Now this is paragraph is finished. Here, below that paragraph, I will put 3 images. But in our folder, is there any images are there? No. So what I will do first? I will copy some images there and I will paste. copy them in our website folder. You create another new folder called images. In that folder I am pasting. Give names 1, 2, 3, like that. I have given the folder names, means images names. Now take one div id image1. In that img src images folder /1.jpg. Give some width 250. Give some height 200. Like that, some height width I am giving for the image tag. Close div. Same thing, div, copy, paste. Here image 2, here 2, image 3, here 3. Now for this image 1, image 2, image 3 divs, we will give styles in the CSS. Hash image 1, flower brackets open, close. First is position. What is the position I am giving? Absolute. So from top means below this paragraph I should get, right? So below that paragraph I should get means I will give some top, for example 200 pixels. Left some 40 pixels I am giving. We will see where it will come. Okay, little bit down enough. So 250 pixels. Okay, same all images in the same top, but positioning changes. So from here 300, from here right. So this gap little bit. So I will decrease. Still. Okay. So paragraph 3 images one by one. Now again below I will take another paragraph. So what I will do, instead of copying again new paragraph, I will just copy the same paragraph, change the ID. After the 3 images again paragraph. Para 2. Instead of typing again, I will copy the paragraph styles and I will change the options. Para 2. So top it should come below these things. So I will take 500 directly. Okay, change color, just change the text color. Okay, blue. Okay, so this is my home page, how it looks. If I click about, it will not come. Service, it will not come. Home, this is home page, it is opening this only. Now below this I will create, the last is footer. So section is completed. Below that I will create one footer tag. Open footer tag, close footer tag. In that footer tag I will take again div id something footer. Open, close. In that I am writing some text. All rights reserved 2017 and copy right symbol by friend zone solutions private limited, something I have written some text. So if you see the text, where it will come, it is coming here, but it should come where? Below all these things. That means for this div id footer I need to give styles. Hash footer flower brackets open, close. So what I need to give? Position. So what I will give position? Relative. This is a separate section again. So from top some 900 I am taking, left 0, right, sorry, now right of giving right, width 1200, background black, color white, text alignment center. So that text will come in the center. Font size 18. Save it. It is coming down. So little bit up we will do. 800. So this is how the website looks. Okay. C is small. See, and copyright symbol. So zoom in, zoom out, it will zoom to center. Zoom in, zoom out, it should zoom to center. Then only it is correct. So I have completed home page, but I have done everything in internal. If someone right clicks on the page, view source, he can see all the styles whatever I have given. So in real time they will not do like this. We need to do the web page in external only. So what I will do, now what are the styles which are common, I will select only those. Body is common for all, main is for common, title, caption, menu bar, hyperlinking, home, about, contact, content. Up to this content is common for all. I am cutting from here, taking another separate notepad, paste the styles in a separate file. From that page I have copied the common code which is for all payers, and I am saving that separately by creating a new folder called CSS. In that CSS folder I am saving it as template.css. This is the same as template.css. This is a common code. Okay, and footer also common now in every page. Okay, we will select the footer also. There is a footer code. Yeah, this is also common for all pages. So that also I have pasted there, footer. Okay, now this is the common code for all pages. Next, the remaining styles are there na. These are there only in home page only. So I will take another notepad for that. I am pasting that one. Again save it as home.css. So what I have done, making the CSS and HTML separate. So when you see our folder, CSS folder, you are getting two CSS files. One is home CSS.css and template.css. This template.css contains the styles which are common for all pages, and home.css contain styles which are there only in home page. Now what I will do, I will link those CSS files, template.css files, home.css files in our index page. So I will remove styles from here. How to link you know already. Link tag, relation. So what we will write in relation? Style sheet. Next type, text/CSS, href, CSS folder. In that template.css. Instead of no need of writing type, you can omit that also, no problem. But relation is compulsory. Same thing, copy, paste. Another name is home.css. So this template CSS is common. This is for only this page. For about page, this will change. For service page, another name. Contact page, another name which we create later. Now I have just designed the home page only. Save it. If you refresh, any change. But now if you see code, you can see only names. You cannot see any styles. So that no one can see our styles. So this is the procedure how to design the web page. First create one folder. In that folder I have designed the index page. I am storing everything in that folder. So this is home page, how it looks. Remaining pages are not there. Paragraph, image, like that. However you want, you should in a position to arrange them. Okay. This is one sample template, home template I have designed. Remaining pages, okay, we need to design.